Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. My wife got this from the BCBG at the Desert Hills Premium Outlet Store by Capazon. So let's go ahead and get this unwrapped. So here are the items that she got. Couple of the tank top and then t-shirt or the V-necks. The V-necks are $38 each, and then the tank tops or the round neck. Tank top is $28 and the round neck is $28.50, and she has 40% off plus additional 10% from the coupon booklet. So when you guys shop around over there, be sure to use your coupon booklet. So total damage is $100.77 plus $7.82 for the tax. And then the total is $108.59. Okay. So I guess this is the, I'm not sure it's the round neck. It says $28.50. So yeah, this is the round neck t-shirt. And then this is the white one. Wow, the size large, look kind of like a size small, but anyway, this is a stretchable elastic material, so it's gonna fit her. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This is the tank top for $28, and as you can see, you got this, and then say like a see-through clear label mixed with this white label or the tag. So it seems like it's the same material. It is pretty stretchy. So that's $28, and here is another one with this. I believe this is the V-neck. Again, it is same stretchy material, okay? And then here is another one, V-neck. This is like a light pink color. Oh, it's called a shadow blush. What's this one? Hazelnuts. This is the hazelnuts color. $38. And then this one is the, what is this? Another V-neck. This is the black color. And then finally we got this one. This is the, what is it? Jojo? No, this is the description for this one. $28. So I'm not sure what you call this one, tank top or what is this, but anyway. So all of them has the same stretch material, and it is pretty soft. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.